Hello, hello, and welcome to another update on ADA. Yeah, we have seen a quiet week. Yeah, it's been quiet. Actually, the entire year has been quiet for ADA, we could say. Rather with a tendency to go down a little bit. If you compare that from where we were in January, we're pretty much there again, just a little lower. But obviously, the market had a bit of a roller coaster. But again, when you zoom out, you see this is literally all just noise. We're currently moving in a range between the lower boundary line of this trend channel. We've got these lower supports around 51 cents and the trend line above that's kind of capping the price at around $1. So from a wave point of view, from an Elliott wave point of view, we can still argue for a bullish perspective and at least one more high in this cycle, which kind of aligns with Bitcoin's perspective that we could get one more high. Obviously, probabilities for that reduce as we mature in this cycle because Bitcoin has fulfilled all requirements for this cycle. Yeah, it would still be ideal though, I think, like the icing on the cake if we could really get to my 130k target, but we got so close already that, I wouldn't be mad at Bitcoin turning around now, at least from an analysis point of view. From an investor point of view, I would prefer higher prices. And also from an analysis point of view, it would be ideal if we push a little bit higher, and that one more high could also maybe fuel another rally here on the ADA chart into the region around $1.79, maybe $2.47. From an Elliott wave point of view, again, this is seen as a fifth wave to the upside, which structurally should turn into an ABC structure. So either we've already got this AB in place and we're moving up in wave C, or this is all still part of a larger ABC structure. But that, again, that is just noise. At the moment, I have to tell you, it doesn't make sense to analyze the micro patterns too much and is this a wave 2 on the 30-minute chart? It just doesn't make sense at the moment, right? This is not the time to do that because we are stuck in corrections. Movements are very, very slow. There is literally no momentum in any direction at the moment. So it's best to remind ourselves we're stuck in a range. Up and down movements give this chart a bit of room, give this chart a little bit of space. When will I get concerned about ADA and that ADA may already have a more substantial top in place? Well, that would be below 51 cents. But on the smaller time frame, there are support levels that we can track in addition, which we can watch for reactions. But again, if they break, it's not great, but 51 cents is like a real make or break point. Now let us take a quick look at the ADA short-term chart as well. So you see here that the price has just been moving sideways for the last couple of weeks, really in this support area between 79 cents and 85 cents. So it's just sideways consolidation here, you could say, in this support zone at the moment. Higher prices, very much still possible also from here. But I need to see an impulsive upside reaction. So I already told you yesterday that another low seems very likely, given that the market has not really given us any upside impulse or momentum from this low in September. Now, first indication that we actually have some kind of a low in place would be a break above 88 cents. So if we can get above these last swing highs from end of August, that would be very productive, and then a move above 96 cents should take us to that yellow trend line, which is coming in at around 99 cents at the moment, or $1. So there is much more work to do from a bullish point of view at the moment. The bulls are just simply not there. If we get another low, there is some support where we've got this red line, structural support. Hold on. Structural support, yep. So it's around 76 cents, and we've got 74 to 71 cents as additional support levels beyond that. Yeah, overall, this chart at the moment demands patience. I can't change that. I can help you understand what the relevant support levels are. The pivots support is holding for now. The next upside breakout point around 88 cents on a very local level, but it wouldn't change anything really until we finally get above $1. So I keep you updated about that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates, chart updates, news. You can get additional videos here on X as well. So feel free to follow us here as well. The link is in the description and also in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.